Hi everybody, this is Chartsky with a quick video of what we did in our live trading room on May the 3rd, 2013, non-farm payroll Friday. People have asked, are we still trading? And yes, we trade every day. You can find out more about what we do in the live trading room by visiting my blog at www.chartsky.com. And we have a really big announcement coming in the next week or two, so please check that blog regularly. So what about non-farm payroll Friday? We had a $1,000 day, real trades, and real money. And that $1,000 was earned trading onesies and twosies and not 4 to 6 contracts at a time, but we'll talk more about that a little bit later. I'll show you the count summary again, but let's look at how we did it. Let's start with the S&P. Here you see a huge spike after the non-farm payroll report, and the market went up, sideways, and up before it finally started to drift down. That's not high probability price movement. So why would we force trades in that market when the others were providing much better opportunities? Our first trade was in crude oil. Like most days, here's the non-farm payroll spike, and shortly after that I took an easy $300 off the table. We followed that with a trailing stop on trade number 2, which got hit in the whip. And then later in the morning we got a nice trade off, good for $200 on the first profit target and $150 or more on the trailing stop. We took some trades in the Euro FX market, and that market was moving great. We could have hit the entire daily profit target in that market alone, but the others are more volatile and they pay off a little better. We talked about that in the trading room, how to pick and choose between markets, but our first Euro FX trade was break even in the whip. The second one was a small loser, also in the whip, but the third was a nice winner. And we added a later session scalp. And there's the summary of the Euro FX market, which brings us to gold. Sometimes we trade it and sometimes we don't, and again, that's something we talk about in the trading room. There's the non-farm payroll spike, the biggest of all the markets. And our first gold trade got $290. The second was break even in the whip, like the other markets. And the third one was break even in the whip, but we got enough there to cover costs and commissions on all the other gold trades. Now, every one of these entries in gold was a limit order, and that means we picked the exact level in advance. That's particularly important in a very fast market like gold, and to a lesser extent crude oil. So like I promised, here's the daily summary again. This is what a $1,000 day looks like. If you want to start seeing profitable days like this, you can join us in the live trading room. And again, to get more information, go to www.chartsky.com or send me an email at chartskytrades@gmail.com. Anyway, that's it. I really would enjoy having you join us, and thanks for watching.